A Venturi injector is a simple but powerful tool that uses pressure differences to draw fertilizer into an irrigation system. But how does this actually work? Let's dive in. A Venturi system operates based on the Venturi effect. This is a scientific principle where fluid pressure drops as it flows through a constricted section of pipe, creating suction. This suction helps draw in liquid fertilizer or chemicals without the need for an extra pump. To set up your Venturi system, you'll need a main water supply. In this case, we'll use a tank, a Venturi injector, a suction pipe, your preferred fertilizer, and control valves. Now, let us set up our Venturi system and fertilize our crops. The Venturi system facilitates a proper and easy fertilization process. Get your Venturi system today and give your crops the care they deserve.